Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy a credit card with American Airlines AAdvantage, beginner guide step by step clearly. To deploy a credit card with American Airlines AAdvantage, begin by visiting the American Airlines website. Navigate to the AAdvantage section to learn more about the different credit card options available. Select the credit card that best fits your spending habits and travel goals. Click on the Apply Now button to start the application process. You will be directed to a secure application form. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Next, provide your income details, which may include your employment status and annual earnings. Review the terms and conditions of the credit card. Make sure to read any potential fees or interest rates associated with the card. Once you've completed the form, double-check all of your information for accuracy. Submit your application by clicking the final button to proceed. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your application has been submitted. Wait for the approval process, which usually takes a few minutes to a few days. Once approved, you will be notified via email regarding your new credit card account. Follow the instructions in the email to activate your new credit card. After activation, you can start using your card for purchases to earn AAdvantage miles. Monitor your spending to maximize your miles and benefits. Review your account periodically to keep track of your rewards and remaining balance. With careful management, your AAdvantage miles can lead to fantastic travel opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.